Hinge repair on Dell Inspiron 153511 laptop. Thank you, Sir Mark, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for Hinge repair is a good decision for several important reasons. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools needed to repair or replace damaged hinges effectively, ensuring that your laptop's structural integrity is fully restored. Attempting to fix hinges yourself can lead to further damage to the screen, casing, or internal components, which can result in costly repairs. Hinge repair at a professional shop ensures that the repair is performed with precision using high-quality parts that match your laptop specifications. This not only restores functionality, but also enhances the durability and lifespan of your device. A well-repaired hinge prevents further strain on your laptop's chassis and internal components, maintaining its performance and appearance. By trusting skilled professionals, you avoid unnecessary risks and ensure that your laptop remains in excellent working condition. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your hinge repaired. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.